and welcome to Lazy Girl Achari Aloo. Your mom is gonna tell you, peel the potatoes. It's not time to peel potatoes. Get these ones. You don't have to peel them. Get one bowl. Fill it with water. Oh, I forgot to cut them. And get a knife. You could boil your potatoes on the stove. This is Lazy Girl Aloo. Put it in the microwave. Carefully take out the potatoes from the microwave. Do not burn yourself. It should look something like this. Cut your potatoes. Oil. Don't do that. Turn it off when it's lightly brown. Mine is off. Your little tarka pan, so cute. Oil. 1 spoon of rye, mustard seeds. Wait for it to pop. Stop popping. Oh, wait for the oil to heat before you add the mustard seeds. Don't do that. It's popping. Turn the fire off immediately. Wait, can I check the recipe on my phone really quick? 1 spoon of haldi, 1 spoon of lal mirch, maybe 1.5, just for, fun. That was really fun. I forgot to add the ginger and the garlic. Add that while your potatoes are cooking. Yeah, just put it in the tarka because potatoes are already cooked. You didn't get the achari masala? It's okay, neither did I. It was a dry chili. Chili. I also forgot to put the curry patta. Don't forget! 2 green chilies. This is a very chaotic video, I'm sorry. Cut them together. What are you doing? Cutting it one by one. Yay. 4, 5, no. Just put the whole dandi. Like this. Add the tarka. This. But don't eat it like that. You have to mix it. And blend. Oh, salt. Yay. Oh my god.
So much.
Lazy girls don't have time to add more salt. Put the whole thing right now. Grab the cutest, littlest fork you have for reference. There you have it, folks. Some Lazy Girl Achari Aloo. Ooh, hot.